Yo, what up, guys? So I got my PSP here. As you can see, it's a 3000. It doesn't work at all. Like, I'm like trying to turn it on right now. Yeah, it doesn't work at all. Nothing. So it just doesn't work. When I plug it in, it doesn't work either. Like, if I go plug it in real quick. As you can see, plugged in the wall. Try to turn it on again. Still nothing. I've heard about holding the home button or whatever and trying to turn it on, and still nothing. So I don't know. If anyone has any comments that could help me out or any videos that you can direct me to, let me know. Thanks, guys.